Welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Alex Sindris, and I'm here at the 2017 IADC HSE&T Conference in Houston. And joining me today is Luis De La Fuente. He's Global Training Manager for Lloyd's Register. Luis, thanks for joining us today.
Thank you, Alex, and thanks for the time.
So can you tell us about how drilling contractors can implement robust competency management systems into their operations?
The biggest thing I think will help is treating the competency management system just like you would treat any other management system. For example, your quality management system, where you implement, you define, you implement, you maintain it, and you verify it and audit it. A lot of times people just treat it as a one-off type of deal, and they don't give it the proper attention it needs to become a part of their culture.
What are some of the key benefits of implementing such a system?
Some of the key takeaways we've seen is it helps you identify and ensure you have the right people in the right place. By knowing what the skills and abilities of your personnel are, you can better fill vacancies, you can better promote, and you can ensure more efficient operations.
And so recently, Lloyd's Register helped implement an assessment for competency management of company men working offshore on drilling rigs. Can you tell us about this case and what results you saw?
Yeah, that was a really fun and interesting case to work on. One of the things we noticed initially, when people talk about competency, they assume just the technical skills, and it's much more than that. We really made it a point to really assess the non-technical aspects, such as their communication ability, their leadership ability, how they deal with others, and those types of things. When we went out on the rig, we did get a lot of resistance, as when you mention the word psychometric testing, a lot of people get a little standoffish. But the interesting part was at the end of the assessments, that's the part that they found most interesting. And as far as the results are concerned, we found that the employers were definitely a lot more knowledgeable about the internal procedures of the company versus the contractors. And then we also noticed that overall that was probably the weak point, knowing the regulations and the internal processes and procedures.
Well, Luis, thanks again for chatting with us.
And thank you.
And thank you, viewers, for joining us today at drillingcontractor.org.